does it feel so hard to keep going on? Trying to find the light, there's nothing inside.
G SongLab was created to reconsider music education, particularly from the angle of the aspirations and needs of young people. In our workshops, the participants write songs and produce their own music that can also be shared in online communities. The digital learning environment offers opportunities for group work and peer learning between participants with very versatile musical backgrounds. Particularly for young people who make music in non-formal spaces, networking with other young songwriters creates continuity for their musical activities and gives them an opportunity to feel a sense of community. All in all, I see that composing or songwriting can offer tools for expressing and articulating one's own views in and through artistic work, supporting young people's musical agency and authorship, and encouraging collaboration and networking with others. The role of us mentors is to help with any issue that might come up in the workshops, whether it's working on the lyrics, coming up with an arrangement for the song, or solving some technical issues in the production. In our rapidly diversifying world, there is an increasing need for imagination and rethinking of the mental and physical spaces in which musical learning might take place. We need social spaces that allow musical participation and learning in different forms and for different ages with varying intensities and aims. Above all, there's a need for reconsidering how we see young people in music education, not just merely as musical learners, but as cultural agents authoring their own musical lives.
I think the environment in our workshop, so it's every time I feel like it's different, because every time when we come over here, mostly people are working on different songs and there's always new ideas coming up. So things are never, set to stone. You can never really actually tell like what's going to come up. And it's also like a free space and an environment where people feel safe and they feel free to implement their ideas and bring them up. So it's really the people that spark this ambition that for something that you might have not known that is there. So I feel like I've at least had sometimes these kind of, light bulb moments, like it flashes and you're like, yes, this is what I want to do. And so having people there who really know what they're doing and they have studied through and they also share this passion for music. So yeah, I really enjoyed it here.
I've been having dreams or 3 missed calls. Some things cut the line, they're like paper waves. Run till we've got wings.
It's quite a privilege to be present in these magical moments where a young person, perhaps after some trial and error, finds they can capture some portion of the personality of who they are in a song. Doing so is one way of bringing your voice to the conversation of mankind. We all know how easily art as a medium of self-expression can become the privilege of the wealthy and educated class. A more inclusive world does not come about without effort. Let's find more new ways of letting young people articulate who they are in music and be heard.
Jag tycker att min musik är så mycket som så här vidare. Jag tycker att det är konst. Konst är ju någonting som reflekterar på riktiga livet. Det finns inte konst utan riktiga livet. Jag skriver till alltid om samhället och alla problem, allting som är dåligt. Jag skriver aldrig någonting som jag hittar på. Jag tar det nog från riktiga världen. Jag vet inte vad det händer. Det bara händer. Och det är alltså seriöst. om man har en writers block och man kommer och är runt omkring människor som skriver hela tiden bisen och man hör lite, man går någonstans och tittar att vad de har gjort. Sen är man sådär, nu måste jag göra någonting. Och sen det bara händer, det bara föds text och det är liksom, jag vet inte vad det händer. Det bara händer.